Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 30th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Nordic American Tankers. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Nordic American Tankers, a major player in the Suezmax tanker market, has just released their third quarter earnings report. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Nordic American Tankers reported a net revenue of $52.036 million for the third quarter of 2024. John, how does this compare to their profitability?
Well, despite the revenue figures, Nordic American Tankers achieved a net profit of $8.7 million, translating to an adjusted earnings per share of 4 cents. This is a solid performance, especially considering the average time charter equivalent rate was $30,656 per day per ship, which provides a healthy margin over their operating costs.
That's impressive. How does this compare to last year's performance?
Compared to the same quarter last year, where they had a net profit of $7.5 million, this is a noticeable improvement. It shows that the company is effectively managing its operations and capitalizing on market conditions.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Nordic American Tankers has been active in securing long-term contracts. Can you tell us more about these strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. During the third quarter, they concluded time charter contracts with both international and national oil companies, amounting to about $125 million in net revenue. This is a strategic move to ensure steady cash flow and leverage the scarcity of Suezmax ships in the market.
And what about their fleet and dividend strategy?
Their fleet consists of 20 well-maintained Suezmax tankers, and they have consistently declared dividends, with the latest being 0.04 cents per share. They also plan to expand their fleet, which should positively impact future dividend payments.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How is Nordic American Tankers managing their costs?
The company has been effective in maintaining daily operating costs at about $9,000 per ship, which is quite competitive. This cost management, combined with their high charter rates, ensures a solid margin.
What about their financial health and market outlook?
They have a net debt of $223 million, which is manageable given their revenue streams. The market outlook is positive, with strong demand for Suezmax tankers expected to continue, driven by limited new ship supply and high oil demand.
And how are they addressing environmental concerns?
Nordic American Tankers is committed to reducing emissions through careful voyage planning and speed adjustments. Their fleet's excellent technical condition is a testament to their focus on sustainability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 0.06 cents. How did Nordic American Tankers perform in this regard?
They reported an actual EPS of 0.04 cents, which is 0.02 cents below the forecast. This miss can be attributed to various factors, including market volatility and operational challenges. However, the overall financial health and strategic positioning of the company remains strong.
With only 2 analysts covering the stock, how does this impact investor perception?
With fewer analysts, there's less consensus, which can lead to more volatility in expectations. However, the company's consistent performance and strategic initiatives should reassure investors about its long-term prospects.
Key takeaways. In summary, Nordic American Tankers has shown resilience in a challenging market with a net profit of $8.7 million and plans for fleet expansion. Despite missing the EPS forecast, their strategic initiatives and dividend consistency are promising. John, any final thoughts?
Nordic American Tankers is well positioned for future growth, with strong market demand and strategic contracts. Investors should keep an eye on their expansion plans and market conditions. Overall, it's a solid investment prospect.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Nordic American Tankers' performance in the comments below.